So open your Microsoft Word, and in this Microsoft Word you can see this the insert option, and you must click this that insert, and you can see here symbols is there, symbol, and you must press that symbol, you must click that symbol, and you can see here plus or minus. Simply click this plus or minus, and you can see that the plus or minus have arrived here. And if you need, you can simply copy paste this, copy, and open another application or notepad. If you open this notepad, you must simply copy paste here. So how to type plus or minus in keyboard? If you are using this is PowerPoint, and in this PowerPoint, Microsoft PowerPoint, you can see here also insert is there, and you must click this insert button, and in this insert button you must go to the option symbol. So this is the symbol, and you can select plus or minus from there. For more videos like this, subscribe our channel.